Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesback-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my marigold earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are wire cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers. You will need 9mm jump rings, 5mm jump rings, an ear wire, a head pin. This head pin is a beaded head pin. Our beads featured today are shell sticks. They come in a super bundle. This is a bracelet that I made with the shell sticks. For these earrings, we're just using the orange sticks. All three colors come in the bundle. We will also be using these yellow dyed natural shell loops. The size is 13mm. Lastly, you will need 24 gauge wire. We are going to start off by cutting a 4-inch length of 24 gauge wire, and we are going to create a wrapped loop. So we're going to move the round nose pliers right about there. We're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and we are now going to switch hands and wrap 1, 2, 3. We are going to remove it, grab our wire cutters, trim off that little end. I like to flatten my loops, and then we're just going to come back in and gently tap that wire down so there are no sharp edges. I just strung 11 orange sticks. I tried to get the longer sticks in the middle and the shorter sticks on the side. We are now going to form a wrapped loop on the other side. So I'm placing my round nose pliers right about there, bending the wire back, moving the pliers up, bending the wire towards me, moving the pliers to the side, bending that wire back, and using our chain nose pliers, we are going to wrap 1, 2, whoop, that little wire broke, 3, and I may go a little further. Now we're going to come over. I'm going to trim off that little end. I'm going to flatten out my loop. Tap that little wire down. I want my loops facing the same way. So I'm just going to adjust them. Our next step is we are going to start to bend that wire up. I'm just kind of bending it. So just bend it up. I just grabbed a 9mm jump ring. This is how you open and close a jump ring. We're going to open that jump ring and we're going to grab 2 of our loops and we're going to come back over and close our jump ring. I just grabbed another 9mm jump ring. I'm going to open it, grab that loop, grab our other 2 loops, come back over and close the jump ring to create a chain of 3 loops. Picking up the 3 loops and our beaded head pin, I'm going to find that center hole and I'm stringing it through the center of the loop. and I'm going to bring that up, making sure it's nice and tight. We're going to bend that wire, come over with our wire cutters, trim that little end, and now we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. I want to make sure that's nice and closed. I just grabbed a 5mm jump ring, and I'm opening that jump ring nice and wide, attaching it, grabbing our loop, coming back over and closing the jump ring. Using our second 5mm jump ring, I'm opening it nice and wide, coming over to the other side, attaching, bringing it around, and move that a little bit. We're going to come back over and close our jump ring. Our last step is to attach our ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. We're just going to open it, attach, and close our ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my marigold earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects. And for all your jewelry making needs, new beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.